What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now, do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today, we are blessed to be in another day in the cryptocurrency market, taking a look at Bitcoin, looking at all of our altcoin plays, wondering what the heck is going on. FOMC meetings, Bitcoin having about 4 5 months done passed. What's going on with altcoin? What are we to be expecting? What the heck is altcoin season? So many questions are still on the table, but you best believe all of those questions will get answered in just a matter of time. It may be 12 months, who knows, but nevertheless, these questions will be answered. But we are going to talk about one of the coins that will be the first time us discussing it today. But before we get into that particular coin, let's go ahead and take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is sitting at just above $58,000. I think we're $58,050. A few days ago, we were at $60,000 level. Everybody was excited. We thought we was getting ready to get over the hump, maybe hit 64,000, 65,000, but nope. Boom, here come another little bit of a correction like we've been seeing over the past several months. So this is nothing new. Is it getting tiring? Yeah, it's getting tiring, but it's nothing new. This is what happened every cycle, but every cycle it will wear you out if you are not prepared for the volatility in cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. The Bitcoin dominance is up today. Now that is something that we have been paying attention to. And if you take a look at the Bitcoin dominance today, we are at 56.7%. That is excellent. That is positive for us to be going in that direction. Like I mentioned before, we're looking for 59%, 60% before altcoin season really kick in. So we really want to see the Bitcoin dominance increase. 56.7, 57%, 58%. Bitcoin, let's go. Right now, we are in the cheerleading section rooting for Bitcoin to increase its dominance. Take a look at the Fear and Greed Index. Right now, we're at 36. Folks are still in the middle. Some folks are on the sidelines. Some folks have really just thrown up the white flag and just completely given up on cryptocurrency altcoin because they cannot stomach the volatility that Bitcoin have been delivering for the past few months. So shouts out to them. I wish they would have stuck around and stayed in it, but nevertheless, everybody on the boat will not and cannot be saved. Ethereum is continuing to trade sideways. What the heck is going on with Ethereum? $2,200, $2,288. Ethereum dominance 13.6. We're not panicking. We're not worried. If anything, this is the time to be buying Ethereum right now. We saw the same exact thing happen the last cycle, and when Ethereum kicked in, it really started to have great momentum and outperform Bitcoin in a major way. So we're going to continue to watch Ethereum, going to continue to watch the Bitcoin dominance, and definitely going to continue to watch our favorite doggone altcoins. So let's go ahead and get into the new altcoin of the day. The new altcoin of the day is none other than PARSIQ. That's right, that is PARSIQ coin. PARSIQ is currently the number 669th cryptocurrency coin in the world. Market cap is $280 million market cap. So as of right now, this is a micro cap crypto coin, but the potential is very massive. This coin has massive potential. This coin came out in 2020. COINBASE released this coin as an experimental play. This play was successful during the experiment. Now it is still around, doing its thing, continuing to go through the developmental process. Nevertheless, this play came out at 5 cents in 2020. This play ran all the way to $2.53 in 2021. So that was a 50x of a play. Now, we've been saying that typically coins that have their first bull market altcoin season really explode. We've seen this one explode to a 50x, but it's something about this particular PARSIQ play that can really have another major explosion. Like I said, it initially came out as an experimental play. Coinbase have been developing it, working with it. Right now, this thing has beat back down microcap coin, and it still have massive potential to kind of get back to where it was at $2.53 level. You look at the coin supply, there's only 500 million coins out there. Though that is a great number of coins, especially when you see some coins are in the billions, some coins are in the trillions. So this coin is a $500 million coin supply, which is excellent. You take a look at the coin right now, currently it's 10 cents. So this coin have reset from the lows from 2024, where it was 9 cents. This coin have now reset back to those levels. Now, we've been paying attention to a lot of the other altcoins. When these coins typically reset back to January 2024, for whatever reason, that is when these coins really start to pop. So this particular coin, PARSIQ, have hit the reset button. It hit the reset button. Now we're expecting this thing to really continue on the upward trend, the upward direction. We're not trying to be the smartest. All we're doing is following the charts. When we see something going on with the charts, and when it's happening over and over again, it's happening to this coin, to that coin, that is a green flag for us to pay attention, watch it, put it on your radar. If it's happening over again, then it is confirmed that this is a trend that we really want to pay attention to. So can this coin get to $10? Can this coin do a 100x? That is the question that is on the table. So if this coin was to get to the $10 range, you're talking about doing a 100x. If this coin was to get back to the levels that it hit in 2021, $2.50, then you're talking about a 20x. So this play definitely got potential to get back to that highs of 2021, where it hit $2.50. Because if you take a look at the all-time high market cap, the all-time high market cap was about $300 million. $300 million market cap will place this coin back to a heading to $2.50, which will place us at a 20x. So it's really possible that this coin can really pump. Might not do 100x, but like I said, if we can find a coin that can do a 10x, 15x, 20x, you can be conservative on this play, lock it in for a 10x, 15x. It's possible that it can do a 20x. If it do to a 20x, it'll be near the $2.53 level, which was the previous all-time high from 2021. And we all know once these coins break their all-time high and really get in discovery zone, that's it. That's when it really start to fly through the roof. So if it can push past $2.60, $2.70, then boom, our next target price will be $3. If break through $3, we trying to hit $4. And it also depends at what part of the cycle that we're in. So we're going to place this coin on our radar. Matter of fact, we get some skin in the game in this play. Once it cool off, right now it's up a little bit today. We're expecting it to cool down probably in 48 hours, 2 days. Right now it's on the radar. Once it dip, have a little bit of a correction. It's up 40% right now. It's killing the game. It probably will come back down a little bit. Boom. Once it come back down, we're going to get some skin in the game, and we're going to ride this thing all the way to the top. We understand that altcoin season is right around the corner. This is one of the coins that can perform well during this doggone altcoin season. But it's very important for us to be patient right now at this particular time in the market. Bitcoin is doing well. Altcoins are doing well. Just these past few months have been a little bit choppy, a little bit of volatility. But when you zoom out and you really take a look at the data, you'll see that Bitcoin is up 130% over the past year from 2023. And if you really zoom out a little further than that, you'll see that Bitcoin is up 242% over the past 2 years, going back through 2022. So Bitcoin is doing its thing, performing well. There's always going to be a lot of FUD out there. There's going to be a lot of negative comments out there that's going to try to scare folks. Bitcoin is not worth it. Why are you investing in Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a scam, so forth and so on. So you guys stick to the script. Continue following your fundamentals. Continue to do what it is that you know that is right. This is the only asset that can change your life financially in 12 months. Come on over there. Join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. But like I say, I just come to y'all every day just to continue to give y'all a little bit of encouragement. Coming to you every day to give you that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.